When it comes to keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient, weatherproofing plays a crucial role. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's weather resistance is through window replacement. In Lexington, where the weather can vary significantly, upgrading your windows can make a world of difference. Whether it's sweltering summer heat or the chill of winter, the right windows can help keep your home cozy, save on energy bills, and protect against the elements. Here's why window replacement in Lexington matters and how it can benefit your home. Improved energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons to consider window replacement is to improve your home's energy efficiency. Older windows often lack the insulation and sealing properties needed to keep your home temperature controlled. During the hot Lexington summers, traditional windows may allow heat to enter your home, causing your air conditioning to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Similarly, in the colder months, drafty windows can let precious heat escape, making it more difficult and expensive to keep your home warm. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs. New windows are designed with advanced insulation features, such as double or triple panes filled with argon gas, low emissivity, low E coatings, and improved weather stripping. These technologies prevent heat from escaping in winter and keep the heat out in summer, leading to lower energy consumption and reduced utility bills. Protection from the elements. The weather in Lexington can be unpredictable, with everything from thunderstorms to heavy snowfalls. Having windows that can withstand these conditions is crucial for protecting your home from water damage, drafts, and other weather-related issues. Old windows may have weak seals or frames that allow water to seep in, potentially leading to mold growth or wood rot. New windows, however, are designed to handle the elements more effectively. With better sealing technologies, they prevent moisture from entering your home, reducing the risk of damage to your interior. Additionally, windows that are properly installed and sealed will minimize the potential for air leaks, ensuring that your home remains dry and draft-free no matter what the weather outside is like. Enhanced comfort. Another benefit of replacing your windows is the increased comfort it provides throughout the year. If you've ever noticed drafts near your windows or felt the temperature fluctuating in different rooms of your house, it's likely due to the inefficiency of your current windows. New windows offer better insulation and airtightness, creating a more consistent indoor temperature across your home. This is especially important in a place like Lexington, where weather patterns can vary widely. With upgraded windows, you can expect a more stable, comfortable environment, whether you're relaxing in the living room on a summer afternoon or staying cozy during a winter storm. Increased curb appeal and home value. Replacing old, outdated windows can also significantly improve the curb appeal of your home. Windows are a key feature of a home's exterior, and new windows with a modern design can instantly refresh the look of your property. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enhance its appearance, new windows can make a big impact. Additionally, window replacement can increase the overall value of your home. Potential buyers are often looking for energy-efficient and well-maintained homes, and new windows are a clear sign that you've invested in your property. This upgrade can be a major selling point, especially in a competitive market like Lexington, where buyers are looking for homes that will help them save money on utilities and reduce maintenance costs. Noise reduction. If you live in a noisy neighborhood or near a busy street, you know how disruptive outside sounds can be. Old windows may not effectively block out noise, allowing it to penetrate your home and disturb your peace. New windows, particularly those with multiple panes of glass, are designed to reduce noise transmission. This means you can enjoy a quieter and more serene home environment, free from the disturbances of traffic, construction, or other external noises. Conclusion. Weatherproofing your home through window replacement in Lexington is a smart investment that offers numerous benefits. From enhancing energy efficiency to improving comfort and protecting your home from the elements, new windows can make a significant difference. Not only will they help you save money on energy bills, but they will also add value to your home, boost its curb appeal, and improve your overall living experience. If your windows are outdated, it's time to consider an upgrade. Your home and your wallet will thank you.